Join me as I dive into the world of binary trading to see if I can actually make some money or if it's just a gamble. Binary trading has been gaining popularity over the past few years, and it's easy to see why. With the promise of high returns and the ease of use, it's no wonder many people are jumping on the bandwagon. But can you really make money with binary trading? That's what we're going to explore today. One of the biggest misconceptions about binary trading is that it's a get-rich-quick scheme. People think they can just throw some money at it and voila, they'll be millionaires overnight. But the harsh reality is that binary trading requires a lot of effort, patience, and knowledge. Without a solid understanding of the market and a well-thought-out strategy, you're essentially gambling, and we all know how that usually ends. Another challenge people face is the lack of regulation in the industry. There are so many dodgy brokers and scam artists out there, it's hard to know who to trust. And even with reputable brokers, there are risks involved, like leverage and margin calls. It's a minefield, and if you're not careful, you'll get burned. Then there's the myth that binary trading is a way to make a quick buck. It's not. It takes time, effort, and discipline to be successful. You need to be willing to put in the work, to learn from your mistakes, and to adapt to changing market conditions. Anything less, and you're just wasting your time. Lastly, people often underestimate the importance of risk management. They get caught up in the excitement of making big profits and forget to protect their losses. But without a solid risk management strategy, you're just one bad trade away from disaster. So what does it take to be successful in binary trading? Well, first and foremost, you need a solid understanding of the market. You need to know how to read charts, analyze trends, and identify patterns. You need to stay up to date with market news and events that can impact your trades. And you need to be able to adapt quickly to changing conditions. Next, you need a well thought out strategy. This isn't a one-size-fits-all situation. You need to find a strategy that works for you, and you need to be able to execute it consistently. And that means discipline. Discipline. Risk management is also crucial. You need to know how to set stop losses, how to limit your exposure, and how to diversify your portfolio. You need to be able to manage your emotions and not let fear or greed get the best of you. Finally, you need to be realistic about your expectations. Binary trading isn't a way to get rich quick. It takes time, effort, and perseverance. You need to be willing to put in the work, to learn from your mistakes, and to adapt to changing market conditions. So, can you really make money with binary trading? The answer is yes, but it's not easy. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn. You need to be realistic about your expectations, and you need to be willing to put in the effort required to be successful. In conclusion, binary trading can be a profitable venture, but it's not for the faint of heart. It requires knowledge, skill, and discipline. It requires a solid understanding of the market, a well thought out strategy, and a commitment to risk management. And it requires realistic expectations and a willingness to put in the work. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any thoughts on binary trading, leave them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about trading, be sure to check out my other videos.